Welcome to the hydraulic press channel.
Hi,
I'm Lauri.
I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to explode some hydraulic hoses. So idea is pretty simple as always. We have here a cylinder, really thick cylinder, and piston. And this is going to be pushed down with hydraulic press. This is going to be full of water. And the hose that we are going to be testing is going to be attached here. And as you see, it's plugged on the other end. So nowhere for the pressure to go except out of the hose. And there's two options that can happen, or like four options. First option is that the hose is going to explode. Second option is that the plug is going to fly. Third option is that the hose is going to fly. And fourth option is that seals are going to be broken. But when we carefully install these can take 2000 bars, and these are rated for 300 bars. So I'm expecting that something around here is going to fail.
All options are quite bad.
Yeah, only option is failure. Yeah, but failure is today our goal. And if you haven't seen our injection in Uri video, go check that out before this. Hydraulic hose, when it explodes, it's one of the most dangerous things in the workplace, because oil or whatever you have inside of the hose is going to fly with a quite good speed. And if any of your limbs or other body parts is near of the hose when that happens, the oil goes inside of you. And hydraulic oil isn't like optimal thing in your limbs or any other place. So in the good chance you're going to lose your hand, and bad chance you're going to die. So don't try this at home. We have bulletproof bunker, so we can safely do these tests. And also, if we compress water to like 1000 bars and something gets loose, the water is compressed. So that's roughly this is going to turn into like shotgun slug. So also this can kill you if this hits in your head or something. But luckily we have bulletproof windows and everything, so it's not going to be a problem today. And we have here amazing assortments of hoses. We are going to warm up with Humboldt garden hose. Then I'm not sure what is this. It has steel reinforcing thing on outside and Teflon inside. Then I have no idea what is this.
Quite basic.
Basic hose. Then we have hydraulic hose and double layered extra heavy duty hydraulic hose.
Badass hose.
Badass hose. Okay, everything is ready. We have a Humboldt garden hose here. I have no idea what is this rated for. I think like typical tap pressure is like 4 bars. What is Hanna's guess? How many bars it's going to take?
Before it explodes.
Yeah, before it explodes.
I say 6 bars.
I say 25.
Really? That much?
Yeah, and I'm not sure can we even measure this low. And here is our measurement device. Behold. I have been too busy to fix I can't use my computer. So we don't have the screen capture software for this. And the lights are so bright, it's hard to film. So we made this. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. This part here at the press looks almost like good, but other is shit. But now we can see it from here. And 80 tons is 1000 bars. So 8 tons is 100 bars. So 1 ton is about 10 bars. Roughly.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see. Okay, here it goes.
Oh.
It was 3.8.
Okay,
So it's like 50 bars.
okay.
But But this is not very accurate on these things because there is a lot of shit on that cylinder, so there is a lot of friction. So I say that it's only accurate when we start to go to the higher spars, like to hundreds or thousands spars. Yeah, but we are going to now load next hose. Then we have pneumatic hose, so air hose. And it says 20 bars and then 60 bars. 60 bars is the like burst pressure that manufacturer claims. I think it's more. People always lowball these things. I'm going to say that it's going to take 100 bars.
Oho. Well, I say 80.
80. So you say 10 tons and I say like 12 or something. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
It feels slightly wrong.
Yeah.
It's
And dangerous.
And this is only pneumatic hose. Think about the hydraulic one. Okay, here we go. It like got longer.
Yeah, it's the ding 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 ding. Said, where did it go?
I see a lot of really stupid comments on this
Yeah.
video.
Was it the head of the hose?
No, I check. I lift it slightly. No, it wasn't the head. It's here. Tiny hole. Yeah, but that was already quite a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it was very interesting to see how it just, how you say, venue?
Stretches. Stretches in lengthwise, not in diameter, but length. I thought that they might like get like thicker, but not longer. It's like it's.
It says karhu, bear.
Yeah, I cannot not laugh when I think about the comments. I'm going to pin the best worst comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, then the next one. 5.1. That was a surprisingly weak.
Yeah.
I think it was around the 60 bars that they said. Yes, then we have this. It looks fancy as hell and that's why I bought it. But the guys at the hydraulic store said that it's not very strong. But it's like 20 bars.
Yeah.
But it looks strong. It's like steel.
Yeah, it looks very strong.
I'm going to say that it's going to be, let's say tons there.
Okay.
Last one was 5.
Yeah.
This is going to be 7.
9.
9.
It looks flexible. Oi!
Yeah, it stretched it now.
Oh. Yeah.
I think we could have done that slower. I was a bit nervous, so I didn't want to like milk it so much. Oh my god!
Oh.
It snapped in half.
Yes.
It stripped the steel wires, but cylinder seal. That's
It
good.
just stays there.
Okay, then we have this. Is this called like ripped? And this is suction hose. And there is a steel wire. It's the ripped part of this. And the steel wire's function is like prevent it from collapsing when there is like lower pressure than atmospheric pressure inside of this. That's the sucking part. And I think that it's going to make it also stronger on other direction. But before this, today's sponsor is HPC Entertainment, our company. Because I thought that I'm going to tell you that we do this industrial testing like professionally also for companies. So if you need something like this done, that's potentially quite dangerous, we have the bulletproof room with high-speed cameras, shitload of light, hydraulic press, industrial robot. We can do all kinds of tests here. And if it's too dangerous or large for indoor stuff, We have a great outdoor range. We have concrete bunker here for the people. Tests happens outside of the bunker and people are just safe inside. So if it's dangerous, we surely can do it. And we can also manufacture all the things needed for the tests on our own workshop, or if we need help, we have a great partners to help us build things, measure, film, and plan whatever there needs to be tested. Yeah, but now we are going to continue at this important research project here.
Whoa!
That got quite long.
That was quite weak, I would say.
Okay, you got the window splash.
I got the splash. It looks like it's raining in the bunker. Yeah. There is some rainforest.
And now we have only two hoses left, the hydraulic hoses that we have all been waiting for, and those are strong. Okay, first hydraulic hose, this is the single ply, and this is completely different thing than the steel thing that we had. This diameter is so much larger that there's a huge force trying to rip the end off from this. Yeah, but as I said on the video's beginning, something is going to fail.
Yeah.
That's sure. We are not going to run out of power on the press. That was quite a sound.
Oh.
The end went. It went fast. It went fast.
Like you said.
Okay, here it is.
Here he is.
I'm not sure where it hit. Okay, and here is the high speed. And it was quite violent thing when it went. And here it's frame by frame. And I estimated that the water splash is about 200 millimeters per second. It moves about 10 centimeters per frame. And it's 2000 frames per second, so easy to calculate. Or it's a bit over 2000, but around 200 meters per second. And here is the maximum pressure. It could be a bit higher. I crushed it too fast, so there is like quite large gaps between the data points, so it might be like slightly more. I'm not sure. But it was a lot more than 300 bars. And then the double ply. It's going to be much stronger, so interesting to see.
Is that the badass hose?
This is the badass hose. The best hose that the store had.
Yeah.
And I feel confident. This is the first time today when I really feel confident that we can deal with this. Because the piston seals, they are the champion of this day. They are doing great work. Please all thanks the piston seals.
Yeah.
Yeah, but one last opponent for the piston seals. And I think this time the end is going to fly really, really fast.
Ooh, let's see.
Yeah, let's go out.
Yeah.
It's going to hit the door.
Let's go out.
Good luck, door.
Fast.
Holy shit! Okay. Okay.
Koira haukku. Okay. What smell? The lamps are okay.
This is here. Dogs are barking out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put this off.
Yeah, but the press took it like an absolute champ and also absolute champ of the today.
Yeah.
The piston seals. Okay. Like what the
Yeah, and
hell?
the whole cylinder.
Yeah, this is good. But let's see how this went. Did we I save it now. And here is the high speed. And this time it went much faster. It's so fast. I estimated that it moves like 20 centimeters between the frames, and that gives it about 400 meters per second. Even with like 15 centimeters between the frames, and we are still supersonic. So the water definitely went faster than the speed of the sound. And here is the terrifying pressure that we hit. Still should crush slightly harder to make sure that we get the absolute top pressure, but that was a lot. And here it is as an force. And with this graph, we can do interesting calculation because force times distance is energy. And guess how much energy was that? That's 80,000 joules. And 80,000 joules, if we calculate it as an TNT, that would equal to 20 grams of TNT when it explodes. So it's not a wonder that it was a bit loud. And I think the most of the energy goes into throwing the water, because the end of the hose didn't fly super fast. But interesting stuff. So some of the sound might be the supersonic boom from the water
Yeah.
like reaching the like Mach 1.3 or something like that.
Maybe that's why the dogs are so angry to
Yeah,
us.
they don't like supersonic
Supersonic
water.
sound.
Yeah, but hey, definitely. I'm not sure like I think regular. Maybe if you like have, let's say, a like truck bed or something that is lifted by hydraulics, or any other thing that is lifted by hydraulics, and then you have some terrible problem with your like pressure valve, and somehow the system pressure gets too high for the hoses. That's no joke. If you are like touching that, you are going to lose any limbs close to that. So I would say that this was about as dangerous as I thought that it's going to be.
Yeah, but it doesn't feel so dangerous because of the bunker and
Yeah.
all of our stickers.
But do you know what is also dangerous?
Yeah.
Delta P accidents. When you get sucked inside of something by huge pressure difference. And guess what we are doing tomorrow? Just that. So subscribe to the channel. It's probably coming out next week if it goes this easy like this went. I think we are on a good week now.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that is all for today.
Thank you for watching.
And have a nice day.